Hello everyone, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how the script feature of Pollination Rhino works. You can edit or create Pollination Rhino object with the script feature. It means that you can create your asset of scripts to speed up the modeling phase of Pollination Rhino. Let's say that I want to create a script to change easily the window ratio of a couple of selected rooms. So what you can do, you can type your own script and you can use it again and again in more than one project. Let's open the editor now. Just type Python and select the command Edit Python script. Here you can start typing your own script or use an external editor and copy and paste the code in it. Or you can start from one of the sample files that we provide. So let's open one of the sample files. For example, pollination modifier room window ratio. And once you have your script, you need just to click on play. Okay, now I select my room, I press enter, and I can change the window ratio. For example, I change the north side in this way, the south side in this way, and the west side in this way. Click on change it. Let's refresh the view, and here we go. Let's try now another script to display some useful data of the rooms. So I close this one and I open another script that I have on my local machine. Report and pollination report room property. For example, I want to know the exposed area, the area and the volume of the rooms that I have in my model. So I can create a nice script that extracts the data for me. Let's press start, and here we go. So, and you can also save it, but it's up to you how many features you want to add to your script. Thank you for watching.